Hey everyone, Ricari here, and I want to invite you to survive the ultimate life and death fight with the Xbox wireless controller, PLAYERUNKNOWN'S Battlegrounds Limited Edition. Now this controller features a distressed black digital camo design, and in the box, you'll find a token for an exclusive in-game clothing set that matches the look of this very controller. Now the controller has a blue circle around the left thumbstick and a sight scope on the right thumbstick. Impulse triggers to feel all the action, and you can be the last one standing with the new and exclusive trigger grip to help you stay on target in that final circle. Plug in any compatible headset with a 3.5mm stereo headset jack, and of course you can remap the buttons with the Xbox Accessories app to play the way you want to play. Now as always, this controller is compatible with all Xbox One consoles and includes Bluetooth technology for wireless gaming on Windows 10 PCs and tablets.